Hi everybody and welcome back. In this section we're going to be talking about comments within Python. So in any programming language there are what are known as comments. And comments are a fantastic and very helpful tool in any language, not just Python. So what exactly is a comment? A comment allows you to add plain English text to your programs, and this text will be ignored by the Python interpreter. So comments are completely ignored by the computer, so you don't have to worry about them causing errors or upsetting your programs. And how do we write comments? Well, in Python, a comment begins with the hash symbol. This lets Python know that everything after the comment is to be ignored. So let's look at a quick example. So let's enter in a comment. This is my Hello World program. And let's print out Hello World. Print. Open and close brackets. Hello World. And let's see what we get from our interpreter. Perfect. Bottom left hand side, Hello World. So as you can see, the two comments that we've included here are not outputted onto your screen and are completely ignored by Python. So this leaves you free to add in tips, reminders and comments for other programmers to help them when reading your programming. As your programs become larger and more complicated, comments are a great way for you to insert helpful notes about a piece of code or a program, because when you come back to it in a few months or a few years later, you may not know why you wrote what you did. So going forward now in this course, we're going to be adding in comments throughout our code at the start of every program and then throughout our programs to give helpful pointers and reminders. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.